Hello friends, I am Mohammad Hanif, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Environmental Science, Kohinoor Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kuldabad. Here I am going to explain in short what is volcano. The volcano is a natural calamity and it is the term volcano refers to an opening on the earth's surface from where lava, gases, ash, and rock fragments are got erupted. So there are four main parts of a volcano. One is crater, second one is vent, third one is cone, then and last one is a magma chamber. And a pipe or a conduit from which joins the magma chamber to the uh, opening of the volcano from where the material get erupted. So crater, first one is a crater. What is crater? Crater, it is actually present at the top of the volcano, and it is a bowl shaped depression at the top of the volcano, and it forms when the explosive eruptions occur. The eruptions are more severe or explosive when the magma contains lots of gases, large quantity of ash, large quantity of large fragments along with these gases. When the material is more, gases are more, the eruptions are very severe and they form a depression that is called as crater. Then the next part is vent. Vent is a opening at the top of the opening of the pipe or the conduit at the top of the volcano. Some volcanoes have multiple vents, but there is only one main vent or the central vent. Then the next part is cone. What is cone? The area around the crater at the top of volcano made up of the material ejected during the eruption. That cone-like structure you can see in the image, that is called as cone. It is formed by the material which is erupted from the volcano. Many volcanoes have several craters, cones, and vents. Okay. Then the next part is magma chamber. What is this magma chamber? See, in the image you can see this red hollow structure that is called as magma chamber, and the red material which is shown is in the figure is a magma. The magma is stored in a magma chamber, and through a pipe, the pipe is called as conduit, and via this pipe this magma flows from the magma chamber to the opening of the volcano, and then it gets erupted, and the material which is erupted from this volcano gets stored in the cone. See, when this material is present under the earth's surface, it is called as magma, and when it comes out, once it got erupted, it will get cold, and then it is called as lava. So this is about the structure of a volcano. See, in the figure you can see the different this cloud of volcanic ashes. When there is a eruption, you can see this cloud of ashes, volcanic ashes. Then volcanic bombs, the fragmented material or unmolten material, which are the part of this rock, which uh, which will which get erupted from the volcano with a large force. These are called as volcanic bombs. Then there is a pipe we already discussed. Pipe is also called as conduit, and it acts as a passage of magma from magma chamber to the opening of the volcano. In short, we can see what this magma contains. It is actually a crystalline and fragmented material. It contains unmelted rocks, dissolved gases, and its composition mainly composed of oxygen, silicon, and aluminium, iron, manganese, calcium, sodium, potassium, titanium, manganese. These are the metals which are present in the molten magma. So in this PPT you can see all this information. I just go through it. You just have a look on the information which I have provided in this PPT. Thank you.